buscarlos afuera, pintarse la cara, color esperanza, tentar al futuro con el corazón.
Welcome back to Querer es Poder. Where there's a will, there's a way. Our show is about inspiring, educating, and motivating young and not so young people here in Santa Clarita. Our show today is brought to you by Carlos Insurance. Carlos Villalobos Insurance.
Yes.
I don't want to miss
Do
your
not
last
leave the
name.
deal- no.
Because on your website, that's why you have CV, right? For Villalobos.
Correct.
So how can we get to you?
You can call me at 255-8282 here in Santa Clarita, or you can reach us on our website, which is www.insurewithcvinsurance.com.
And if you want to have an estimate with a person, with a professional that knows his business and can help you to get better coverage, better insurance, better peace of mind, what we were
Correct.
talking before.
Yes, it's important to review your policies at least once every 2 years, if not every year. But stop on by. We're at 25001 The Old Road. Come on by, have a cup of coffee, review your policies.
Free coffee?
Not for you. Yes, free coffee.
Coffee!
Free coffee, water. I mean, and take a few minutes, get to know us, and we'll review your policies free of charge.
I know a lot of coffee people here. You have good coffee there? That's
Yes.
good.
Yes, we do.
Well, we also have our guest for the segment. We have back for the segment. I said goodbye to you, and I didn't mean to. I apologize for that.
Hello again.
Ed Bernstein.
Welcome back.
Welcome back.
Hi, coffee. I have people that have cupcakes, so I can hook you up. So we'll have coffee and cupcakes at your office. How's that sound?
Perfect.
Martha
So
would
much
love
for
that
getting
plug
work
at
done.
Coca Leader, right? So,
Oh, yeah, she's good.
We all love Martha. So, thanks for having me back on. I thought you were going to push me out the door the first time. So.
No.
No. Because we want to know more about 25 Score.
Okay.
There's more things to say.
So it's not just for businesses, because it's good for businesses, but it's also for consumers. Consumers can save money when they use the cards. Businesses gain customers because of the cards.
Right. No, Coca-Cola brands themselves with all kinds of different things, and the fast food places cross-promote with movies. 25 Score has an affection to it that's been around for 22 years. The ones that are out there that have 25 Score cards, that use it everywhere they go, some of them are 90 years old because they bought them 20 years ago for their grandkids that were in school, or bought them from their grandkids. But the neat part about it is that the synergy's there. The business people want loyal customers. The clients want an easy way to save money. 15% of the population don't use coupons for anything. They make money. The time is worth more to them than the time to figure out the deal. Ours requires no time. You simply show the card. Even if they don't have a sticker on the window, you show the card, because there's a lot of brand names out there, Carl's and some of the bigger, they can't put the sticker on the window. So you'd be amazed how many locations you go to. If you look on your mobile app to see if they honor the card, it shows you what the discount is. We make it easy for them to save everywhere they go, rather than taking a lot of money out of the merchants' pockets to drive traffic once. We're driving traffic 3 times a week with a program that's easy for the end users to do it. And they buy the card so that they save 4, 5, 6, 10 times the amount of money the card costs, and they can buy almost anything with it. Cars,
So how can they check what locations they can use it on
you
your
down
website?
25 Score on you can go from any mobile device and type 25 Score, and it brings up our website. You can go to the mobile app and download it and play games and take pictures of your receipt and win stuff. But the main thing is that the merchants don't have to pay a lot to be on it, and we support them. And the fundraisers and stuff sell our cards, and we support them. And we sell cards directly if they aren't involved with a fundraiser. So it's real easy to buy, real easy to use.
It's a win-win situation.
It's a win-win situation.
Win-win situation.
It's a lot of wins.
Yeah.
And your discounts,
Win squared.
the discounts on the card, Ed, they're basically from what range?
Well, I think it's up to 70%. If pharmacy,
70%?
Yeah, pharmacy, we're up to 70% on discounts for that. Magic Mountain, 60% off. A lot of the restaurants are 10 to 15% off. In this world where they're now being hammered to give away 75% of their profit, we look better than we ever have. We've grown in membership and in merchants in one of the worst economies in recent history. So we know we're doing something right, and we're all excited, all of us, the merchants and the members, when we start seeing the economy improve, the savings and the number of people that come into their stores will increase.
Well, it's amazing that you were able to help, was it Hart High School?
Yeah.
Hart High School raised
$60K.
$60,000 in 2 weeks. It's amazing that you have 250 new new
merchants out in
businesses, new
Antelope
merchants in Antelope Valley. You're a power player, Ed. We introduced you as a power player. You definitely are. Thank you very much for being on our show, and this time we really are kicking you out.
All right, I'm leaving it. Thank you very much for having me.
No, but he's going to be on the lunch mob. Go today to the lunch
Come to
mob.
Lunch Mob today. See us in person.
Yes.
There you go. All right, you're listening to Quereles Poder on your hometown station, AM 1220 KHTS.